Okay, we're doing the no thing. Hammer, we're gonna see if you can do it. See if you can do it.
Just pop.
Yeah. Alright, go.
Okay. Brian, get the stopwatch. Stopwatch? Here.
Shit.
He's pretty good at this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get cross-eyed. Shit.
Uh-oh.
He's slowing down. He's slowing down.
Oh, that was a forehead.
No, sorry, yeah.
No,
illegal use of forehead.
It was not a forehead.
He's hesitating. He's hesitating. He's making the noise. He's making the noises to cover up for his mistakes.
Trying to psych us out with his boobs.
The boobs?
Ow! What the? Whose boobs?
Ow.
How time are you on, Brian?
42.
Jesus.
He's missing.
Or whatever.
I think it's hitting him rather than
Yeah.
hitting it.
Okay, get it. Brian, stop. What do we got?
51 seconds.
Oh.
Alright.
Who's that? Whatever. You never restart the thing, Brian, or?
You ready?
He's meditating. Ready?
Go.
Go. God, we should be counting these two.
Oh.
Don't break those glasses, dude.
He's boxing with it.
Fine, partner. The gloves are off, no, the glasses are off. I'm sorry.
That was his handicap.
What do you got?
29 seconds.
Oh, Brian, come on.
What? No.
Oh, here,
No.
you do me here. Videotape me. I'm gonna do this.
Yeah.
How do you do this now?
How do you start it?
I know, I'm resetting.
No, it's going, man.
Oh, it's going. Okay.
Go Weapon X.
Get ready.
No one else got it.
Doop, Ariel, bitch, nigger, boop, Brian Cole, boop, boop, boop. God.
Freestyle.
Oh my god.
He's got skills.
Mad skills.
They're all hitting the
We're
forehead.
working on that aggression. Working on my childhood aggression. Oh, God! My bad. Sorry. Sorry. Officer, sorry. Shit.
It went around twice.
Who's next?
Come on, Brian.
That's enough. That's enough.
After that.
That was fun.
I think the winner is ABN.
Winner? ABN, yeah.
39 seconds.
Winner.
Winner?
Oh.
ABN?
What did you get?
Show us that, Matt, show us that picture. Show us that picture of your new friend.
What picture?
Show us the picture of your new friend back there. The picture. The picture of your new friend.
What picture?
The picture of your new friend. Show us the picture of your new friend. Matt's got a new, Hammer's got a new friend. Best buddies. BBF, fuck, whatever, how that goes. BBFL, nigger, whatever.
Just show me my shirt.
Alright, that's enough. You're dishonoring their religion. Please stop. Goodbye.